Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I make new project video GPT-360 AI powered Web3 marketing era. The game-changing super app at the intersection of AI and Web3, empowering project marketers and crypto enthusiasts with AI device solution. Get GPT-60. This project is sponsored Binance, Smart Chain, Ethereum, Polygon, Evaluations, and Arbitrum. The technology that will change the future. Empowering project with cutting-edge marketing solution and seamless Web3 intersection. GPT-360, a pioneering platform that stands at the forefront of intersection the dynamic world of Web3 with the extensive reach of Web2 at its core. GPT-360 is dedicated to service as a super app offering an extensive suite of tools and features that cater to the device needs of Web3 project owners and economists alike. Try GPT-360 Chatroom Network Ultimate Community Engagement Tools. Boost engagement and user activity by rewarding participation, reinventing exciting communication, and attracting new members. Battle Pass Sparring Community Engagement. Incredible traditional user rewards. NFTs. Leaderboard. Statistics. Get start. Testonomize. Upgrade your journey with DeFi, the Web3 era. Staking. Maximize your earning potential with our staking options. Earn possible income by staking G360 tokens or boost your engagement with incredible rewards and energy per message on the GPT-360. Upgrade your DeFi in the Web3 era with GPT-360. DAO. Join our DAO and have a say in shaping the future long term. Staking can vote on events, development, listing, and more your voice method in the GPT-360 community. Upgrade your DeFi with us in the Web3 era. Thank you everyone.